One of the most common concerns people have about liposuction is the fear of regaining weight and needing a second liposuction procedure on the same area. However, this is not true. A second liposuction should not be performed on the same area. The body is already sculpted and shaped in a single session, providing the desired results. For example, if liposuction has been performed on the abdomen and waist, another liposuction procedure should not be done in that area. However, liposuction can be performed on different areas, such as the arms or legs, in separate sessions. This means that different areas can be treated at different times. Performing liposuction on the same area again is not advisable. For instance, if 3 liters of fat are removed from a certain area, and the patient gains weight in the future, another fat removal procedure from the same area should not be performed. Liposuction is a procedure that should be completed in a single session. Many patients ask whether they will regain weight after liposuction. The key point here is that the number of fat cells removed does not increase again. Only the remaining fat cells can expand. For example, let's assume a certain area has 10 fat cells genetically. If 7 of these cells are removed during liposuction, the remaining 3 cells may enlarge, but new fat cells will not form. If the surgeon does not remove a sufficient number of fat cells, the patient may feel the need for another liposuction in the same area. Therefore, the right amount of fat cells should be removed during liposuction. However, removing all the fat cells is also not ideal, because fat tissue acts as a lining for the skin and helps maintain the body's shape. A body with no fat at all may not look aesthetically pleasing. In liposuction, what matters is not how much fat is removed, but how much fat is left behind. Modern body contouring techniques have evolved significantly. High-definition, high-def liposuction, for example, allows for the creation of strategic hollows and highlights in certain areas to achieve a more sculpted and aesthetic appearance. In conclusion, liposuction should be performed correctly and completed in a single session. Performing a second revision liposuction on the same area can further deform tissue that has already been traumatized. Additionally, every patient's fat distribution is different, which affects the final outcome of the procedure.